Good morning, guys. Welcome to another shenanigan video, maybe. But today we are going to grab the truck and we are going to scrap this 2005 STI shell. Still have to take the hood, doors, and trunk off of it, but no one is going to buy this chassis to fix it. I thought about cutting the front clip off, but I believe it's been an accident before and I'm just not gonna bother with it. So I have everything off of it that I need. I have the bulkhead harness out, pedals out, everything I need. A few things I need to grab inside, and like I said, doors, trunk, and hood. And then we're gonna try something new to get it on the trailer. My boat trailer that I normally put the cars on I take them off the lift with the boat trailer and then transfer them. So I put them on the boat trailer that the black car is on way over there. Then I transfer them to our car hauler trailer, but the boat trailer's in use. So I'm gonna try and do is get it on that trailer by itself. But the problem with that is that our trailer doesn't fit between the lift. So I'll show you the plan. But the plan is to basically back the trailer in so that we could drop, maybe to here, so we can drop the rear end onto the trailer. Then I'm going to take my cherry picker. It's a 2-ton cherry picker, so it should be plenty to pick up this front end. The front end, I can almost pick up the front end, so should be plenty. I'm gonna hold the front end up with the cherry picker while the rear end is on the trailer, and then I'm gonna winch it onto the trailer. So I guess I'll record that. Hopefully it works out well. But yeah, then we'll take to the scrap yard, and that'll be today's video. So I'll take you guys along for the ride. Nothing too crazy, but why not? I gotta keep some videos flowing out. All right, got everything off that I will need. I throw away these things too, because I've already got 2 sets of them. But yeah, everything else I am throwing with the car. Now we get to load it. Yeah, I think we got everything. I have to throw a bunch more. I throw a bunch of scrap in here also, but I'll do that once I have the car loaded, and I'll back it up over by our scrap pile, which is over there. But yeah, here's all the doors. Wing and trunk is already sold. All the doors and hoods available. So let's get moving on that. It's gonna be interesting loading this. So yeah, I'll just throw it up on probably time lapse and we'll see how it goes. It's not heavy at all, so cherry picker is gonna do just fine. That'll be good enough for that. So now I gotta back the trailer in here, lift it up high enough for the trailer to get underneath the back of it. Drop the lift now, we should be good to go. So I might set you up from the outside, and we'll try and get as much as we can. That arm is super close, but I think it's gonna clear. So yeah, let's try and get this thing on here. That honestly went not quite a bit better than I expected, but it went smoother than I expected. So I'm gonna get cleaned up a little bit, throw some scrap in the thing, and then we'll be on our way. I might record them grabbing it with the loader and picking it up. But other than that, it's gonna be about it. All right, guys, got it all loaded up. Bunch of scrap stuff. All loaded up, ready to go to the scrap yard. I gotta pop this tail light off. As long as it looks like it's in good shape. Pop it off so I can sell singles. Some people want just the drivers or something, and then I've got one. So let me pop that off. Then I will probably see you guys at the junkyard. All right, guys, we'll see if he comes and picks it up here. So they just go in right under the roof. Pick it up, and away they go. I don't know if they're gonna go stack it or if he's just gonna set it down. Looks like he's just gonna set it down. Yep, so that's it, guys. There she sits. So that's what I do with the junk ones. I say the ones that I don't sell, and in my opinion, aren't worth salvaging at all. So before I end the video out, I guess I'll show you guys what I get for these. So when we came in, we weighed 9,340 pounds. When we left, we weighed 7,540. So our net weight was 1,800 pounds. And price per pound is about 91 cents. So we ended up at 165 bucks. Not bad. You know, if I can sell them for 300 bucks or 400 bucks, it's better than scrapping them, but like that one's not gonna sell. So don't get much for them at scrap, but it's better than nothing. So pays for my gas and lunch and some extra. So thanks for watching, guys. I will get you guys some more videos.